Hello, and welcome to MLOps Minutes. The sole purpose of this episode is to help you install Pipenv under Linux. Here we go. If you take a look at the official Pipenv documentation, you'll see that the command for installing Pipenv is just pip install pipenv -user. So user is for installing this tool, this executable only in your personal home directory. It won't be accessible to other users. If you read the documentation, you'll see that the directory where this tool will be installed must be properly accessible and configured in the path variable. And to find out the directory where this tool will be installed, you can use this command, python-m space site -- user -- base. So let's get started. Here I've launched a Linux subsystem for Windows, a fairly recent Ubuntu. I'm going to play the command. Here the Python command will work because in previous episodes I've set up a Python alias that will point to Python 3.11. So here it displays the directory /home/guillaume/.local. So what I do is, if I do a pwd to find out where I am in my shell, I'm currently in my home directory. So if I do ls-a to list everything, files, directories, I'm going to look to see if I have this .local directory. Well, no, at the moment I don't have it. Let's go. I'm going to install Pipenv. I'm going to run this command Pipenv. I'm not very good at copying and pasting. Pipenv. Pip install pipenv -user. This downloads the necessary tools, and then you can see that it displays warnings telling me to be careful. The directory /home/guillaume/.local/bin must be present and properly configured in the path. Now let's check ls-a if I have my .local directory, which has appeared. It has indeed appeared. Let's see what the path variable looks like. We can see that there are plenty of paths configured as colon-separated paths. The order is important. The higher up you are, the higher priority you'll have compared with the lower down. In other words, if you have two executables with the same name, the first executable with the name listed from the highest configured path will be taken into account. Now what you can do is, remember, I've got my .profile file where I've configured a Pokemon environment variable and my Python alias. I'll be able to look at what's inside. And inside I've got my Pokemon variable and my Python alias. If I look a little further down here, there's an interesting line I have, and if my personal home directory /local/.bin exists, then it will modify the variable path and add the directory I'm interested in at its beginning. And then it will add the other remaining path variables. So this directory will have priority since it's put first. That's great. What happens is that if I do pipenv, it doesn't work. But then it's normal because this .profile file is loaded at startup when I launch my shell. So all I have to do is switch my shell off. Turn it back on. And now normally, as my .local/.bin directory exists, if I did pipenv, well, the pipenv executable was found, and that's great. I've configured pipenv correctly. Thank you, and see you soon for more videos.